Joining us now in studio, we have Dr. Rob with Big Sky Pet Center. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And this morning we're talking about a growing problem, pet obesity. Are you seeing an increase in overweight pets?
Yes, in my career we have definitely been seeing an increase in that. So
everybody likes to spoil their pets, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, we all do.
Right. And what types of health problems can pets face if they are overweight?
So we worry about diabetes, joint issues. Obviously, extra weight's going to be transmitted to those joints. Decrease in life expectancy. A lot of times we talk about maybe overweight patients being 6 to 12 months shorter in their lifespan, but
Wow.
Obesity can take up a couple years in those situations. So starting early is usually what I talk to people about when we get the puppies and kittens in the very beginning. Those are the habits we need to be building with those particular pets. Good diet, good exercise, trying to keep that excess weight off.
Okay, gotcha. And what can you do if somebody has an overweight pet and they want to solve the problem?
Right. So the first thing I talk to people about is making sure they make it to their veterinarian, because there's a lot of questions that come up. Does your dog or cat have an underlying problem that makes them overweight? Some of our pets are actually genetically prone to being overweight. Same thing happens in humans. And so there's definitely some steps to take, and maybe your veterinarian would recommend some routine blood work, testing for some things, talking about some of the symptoms they may or may not have, and then coming up with a plan from there.
Okay, gotcha. And how do you, like, if you're looking at your pet and you're like, I don't know, how thick are they supposed to be? Like, kind of how do you know?
Exactly. So we usually use a scale from 1 to 5 in veterinary medicine. Some veterinarians use 1 to 9. The middle is perfect.
Okay.
So either a 3 or a 5, and this is body condition score. A lot of times I tell my owners, look down over the top of your pet. They should not look like a football.
Okay.
If they do,
shape.
that's too much.
Okay.
You should be able to, you don't want to be seeing ribs, but you should be able to feel them. So when you put your hands on their chests, on the sides, you should be able to feel their ribs.
Okay.
And if that's the case, and I also tell people, there should be a little bit of an hourglass figure to them when you look over the top of them.
Okay, gotcha. Dr. Rob, thank you so much. And as always, great information.